Joe, a difficult night, a tough test against an England side that looked formidable at times. How do you sum those 90 minutes up?
No, I think overall, it's a big learning experience for us. It shows where, the level we want to get to, where we want to keep improving, and these are the teams we want to keep playing, because otherwise you don't learn anything. But the first 2 goals, set pieces, it's not us. We've got to be more resilient and way harder to break down. And of course, first half wasn't our best performance, but showed some good parts in the second half. But yeah, overall, not good enough.
Yeah, just how tough was it, especially after those opening 20 minutes, Joe? 3 goals conceded.
Yeah, of course. You play against top teams, you get punished for these mistakes, but no, it's not something we can dwell on. We've got to forget about it now. We've got a massive game on Monday, and we all look forward to it. And yeah, we just get back, recover, and get ready to go again Monday.
Yeah, attention very quickly now turns to Belgium. Is there a risk that this could impact confidence at all, or does it make you even more determined?
No, I think it makes us way better as a team, to be honest. Now we go back and we look at it, and it's only going to improve us going forward. Like I said, in the Nations League, Group A's, this is where we want to be. This is where the teams we want to be playing, and we've got to learn from it and move on.
Thank you. Diolch, Joe.